Hi student, I hope that you all are doing well. In this video lecture I am going to talk about Java, Java Applets, Java applications. This is my second video lecture. We will see what is a Java as well as what is a Java applet. So content of the lecture: what is Java, why use Java, Java applets, and with examples. Java language is the most popular programming language in use today by many measures. Portability across hardware platforms and operating systems is the main benefit of Java applications. Java is an object-oriented programming language as well as platform. Java was developed by a team led by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. The Sun Microsystems is one of the famous software products company like a Microsoft. Java is the first programming language which provides the concept of writing programs that can be executed using the web. That's why Java became very popular. The Java platform has attracted more than 6.5 million software developers. 1.1 billion desktopers run Java. 930 million Java runtime environment downloads each year. 3 billion mobile phones run Java. 31 times more Java phones shipped every year than Apple and Android combined. So why it become this much popular? I already told Java is a mission or a platform independent. What is a Java platform? It refers to a number of computer software products and specifications from Sun Microsystems that together provide a platform for developing application software and deploying it in a cross-platform environment. Java platform, Java virtual machine, Java language, and Java programming interface. Java platform means it executes the code to Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine works as a mediator to translate the data, execute the coding, and translate the coding bytecode to machine level code, again machine bytecode to high level language. So Java virtual machine, it will take this part. So why Java become very popular? I said already, it's a mission independent. Mission independent means it will not depend on any operating system. It can execute irrespective of operating system. It doesn't need any special type of compiler to execute coding or to translate machine code to high level language to machine level language. That's why Java become very popular. Now we will see the features of Java. Java is simple, Java is object oriented, Java is distributed, Java is architecture neutral, Java is robust, Java is interpreted and compiled, Java is secure, Java is portable, Java is multi-thread. These are the features of Java. Again, I want to focus on emphasizing on these words. Why it become very popular? Simple. It's very simple to learn and simple to apply. And it is object-oriented programming. Already I told in the classroom what are the drawbacks that are there in procedure-oriented programming language. So what are the advantages are there in object-oriented programming language? So object-oriented programming language, so one subject will not depend on other subject. In procedure-oriented language, it is a sequence of code execution If any interrupt or any will struck up, then there itself the program will be stopped, but not like in Java. Next is a distributed. It is a multi-functionality, and the people work together through internet, through network, wherever they may be. Java is architectural neutral. I already told architecture neutral. You can execute Java coding in any operating system. Java interpreted and compiled. Java using the Java virtual machine to convert the code to bytecode to machine level language. Java is secured. So we are going to talk about the features of Java. So one of the feature is encapsulation. The encapsulation talks about the security in Java programming language. And it is a portable. Portable means standalone applications, web-based applications. The coding, the projects that you are using, the frameworks, you can carry wherever you want because it is a platform independent. You can execute this code wherever you want. It's a portable. That means it's easy to carry. And multi-threading. I already told multi-threading is nothing but multi-people. At the same time, multi-functions can work through using of Java. Applications of Java. Now we will see some of applications. Java used in mobile phones, web servers, enterprise applications, less common on desktop computers. These are the applications of Java. Look at here, Java or coding, Java language you are using in different organizations and different places. First one, internet, set-top box, webcams, lottery terminals, printers, games, laptops, car navigation system, supercomputer, data centers. Application areas, these all are Java application areas. So among them, collaboration, banking, aviation, e-commerce. These are all the applications of Java. In banking, we are using the Java coding for transactions, for maintaining of bank details, वगैरह and वगैरह. And e-commerce. Nowadays, e-commerce becomes very popular. It may be Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. So different Alibaba.com. These are the e-commerce business organizations. So all over the world, people are giving and showing their interest, purchasing the things through online. So developing of e-commerce applications, we are using Java programming language. Aviation. So for the navigation, aviations for their path, for their directions, receiving the signals from ground station to pilot to ground stations. So for navigations, for safe landing and take-up, all these things, they are using the software. The software entirely designed based on Java programming. So who's supporting Java? Who is behind Java? So originally owned by Sun Microsystems. Already told, Java programming language, especially designed by James Gosling along with his team. So now, originally owned by Sun Microsystems. Oracle acquired Sun in 2010. Here is a list of gains that supports and actively contributing to Java. So IBM supports the Java. Siemens supports Java. Spring Source supports Java. Now 2 supports Java. Nokia, VMware, Samsung, Red Hat, Philips, Apple. These all are supporters of Java. Now we will talk about Java Virtual Machine, JVM. So JVM, the full form of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. What is the functionality or task of the JVM mission? Simply, it converts the bytecode to mission code. Again, translate the mission code to high-level language. So it's working as a mediator to translate the code to mission-level language. That is the exact functioning of virtual mission, Java virtual mission. So Java virtual machines is the like usual computer which translate high-level language into mission-level language. Just like that, Java virtual machine also translate bytecode into machine language. JVM available for many hardware and software platform. What we discussed now. Now we talks about the structure of Java system overview. So using of Java programming, we are developing Java applications. So Java programming, Java applications, through the Java application, Java program language, and here Java native interface, Java class library, the virtual machine, class loader, verifier, execution, operating system. This is the overview of Java system. This is the overview of Java system. Just look at here, Java applications, a top layer, Java programming language, then Java native interface is needed, Java class library, Java virtual machine, class loader, verifier, final execution to the operating system. These all things controlled by operating system. This is the example. This is an example for Java programming, small example. So we will see in detailed manner how we are going to write the programs. Look at here, public class hello world. So public is a keyword, class is at the same time we have to follow the syntax. Class, hello world is the name of the class. Class is again a syntax that you have to follow. Public static void main string args, that is the main method. We are using the int main in a C programming language, int main in C++. In the same manner, we have to use here public static void main method. Then system.out.println helps you to print your statement. This is a small program that will print the hello world. Let's talk about, this is the output of that program. Now, we look at an applet. An applet, it is a special type of program that is embedded in the web page to generate dynamic content. So, applet is a special type of program that is embedded in the web page to generate the dynamic content. So what is the dynamic content? Dynamic content is nothing but what you are able to see while you are browsing. Some data will be randomly or frequently changing that content. When content is changing, the content changing based on this applet. Applet helps the developers to develop the dynamic content. Dynamic content is nothing but the data that are changing or moving or rotating in browsing time. The data is called dynamic content. Then it runs inside the browser and works at client side. Java runs inside the browser and works at client side. Applet is mostly used in games and animation. Games and animation. This is about applet. Applet embedded in the web page and it will help to run dynamic content. And applet is a run inside the browser and works at client side. Now we will see advantages of applet. It works at client side, so less response time. It's secure. Okay, it can be executed by browser running under many platforms, including Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. These are the advantages of applet. The first one, a time-taking process or response time is very less. Second thing is, it will work irrespective of any operating system, and it provides the security, high security. And next one, disadvantages. Plug is required at client browser to execute applet. So applet will works when you have the net connection. Plugin means it required internet. If internet is not there, the applet will not work out. This is a hierarchy of applet. Hierarchy: object, component, container, panel, applet, Java applet. So just look at here. This is the hierarchy of applet. Now the life cycle of applet is very important as per examination point of view. Life cycle of applet. So first of all, applet will begins when you are loading applet. It started to begin. That means born. When you load application, the stage is called borning stage. So being loaded, started. Then it's going to running stage. And running stage to it will go idle stage. Again running stage. Idle stage. Again running stage. So when it is in a running stage, it will display the data or display the things. In running stage, it will display the things. Then again, it will go to idle. Then we can call it stop. So when the applet going to the idle state, automatically it will stop. And idle stage to it will go to dead state. When it exit, dead state is nothing but end, exit from browser. Once exit from browser, we can call this stage a dead state. When you will send the dead stage, when you want to destroy that applet, when you don't want it, then you will send that to dead stage. Dead stage means destroying of that applet. So first one is the begin, it is a loading applet. Second one is the running, that means when you are browsing it, it will run, it will display on your monitor, then it will go to the idle state. Idle state is nothing but the stopping of the applet, and idle state will go to dead state. That means when you want to exit from the browser, browsing time, that is called dead state. Then applet will destroy. These are the explanation what I explained previously, how applets was starting to ending. That means begins to dead stage. So finally, I want to conclude this session with explanation of Java application and applet. So especially this topic talks about difference between Java application and Java applet. So many differences are there, but among them, for time being, we will discuss about few differences. Java application contains a main method. Applet does not contain a main method. An applet is a scripting language. It doesn't need any main method. So does not require internet connection to execute. So Java applications stand alone applications. That means without having of internet connection, Java applications can work. But applet is totally depends on internet. It required a connection. Without internet connection, Java applet will not execute or works. Its standalone application is a part of a page. Applet is embedded in a web. That means applet is a part of a web page. Especially we will design the web coding through HTML. So applet is a part of a web page. That means we will insert this applet code inside of the HTML coding. It may be body, it may be head. We can insert this code inside of HTML language. Can be run without browser. Requires Java compatible browser. At the same time, not only internet, we want to run the applet, you need a browser. What is the browser? Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari. These are called browsers. You need to install while you want to run the applet you should maintain browsers like Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. But standalone applications, Java application doesn't require any browser. Use streams IO classes. An applet use graphical user interface provided by abstract window toolkit or swings. Entry point is main method. Entry point is init method. Init method. Applet follows the init method and Java follows the main method. Generally used for console programs, generally used for graphical user interfaces. I hope that you understand what is a Java and usages of Java, applications of Java, what is a Java virtual machine, and you may understand what is an applet and definition of an applet and what are the difference between Java application and Java applet. Thank you for listening.